Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So this is the Scoutcrafter C-Clamp Challenge. Originally, I was not going to participate because I couldn't find a C-Clamp that I could restore. And somebody asked me on a comment on another video, somebody asked me if I was going to participate, and I said no, I couldn't find that C-Clamp. And lo and behold, Scoutcrafter sent me one of his, and you know, it was mostly restored. It was you know, certainly wire wheeled and put shellac on it and everything, and there wasn't really much for me to do on it. I kind of wanted to hang on to it, like, ooh, I got this from Scoutcrafter, how cool. But I thought that would be rude, so I went ahead and participated, and boy, I kind of botched this one. But you know, I certainly tried. So I'm going to have another video where I kind of show the steps I took, at least as many as I filmed. And then, but this video, I'm just going to show you the clamp. So anyway, here it is. On this side, obviously that's meant to represent the stars and stripes, but I didn't really do a very good job of painting. You'll see the white stripe is way thicker than the red, and there's all these little funky edges and stuff. And oh boy, and look at these stars, man. Those are beauties, aren't they? Anyway, it certainly doesn't represent my love for my country, which it just happens to look terrible. So, and then the other side is meant to represent the Mexican flag. I live about 4 miles north of the border, and so much of the culture in which I live is influenced by Mexico. So I felt like that was the direction I would take. But anyway, you know, it was a learning process. Namely, I learned, hey, don't paint, spray paint. That's really the only thing I can do well. So, and you know, but anyway, thanks a lot. I'm glad you watched, and we'll see you next time.